There's a choice you're going to have to make real soon. It's either them or your blessings. All right, because I feel like there was somebody sent in your life, or is being sent in your life, to try to replace your blessing. Now, these could be blessings that you already have, or blessings that are well on the way to you. And you know how they say when you get ready to level up, you know, there's always a new devil, or the devil tests you in some type of way. That's exactly what's happening right now. But this person, whoever they are, they're coming to you like bearing gifts, compliments, or even like love. Okay, now for a lot of you guys, I do feel like this is somebody that you are already like involved with. Okay, you might be, you know, feeling a little guilty about like cutting them off, or wondering if you should give somebody another chance, or whatever the case may be. Okay, like whoever this person is, they like to distract you from your purpose. They distracted you from your purpose before. Okay, so I don't know who needs to hear this, but you weren't overthinking. You did the right thing, okay? Because whoever this person is, they tried to invest a lot of time into you, okay? They tried to invest a lot of time into you, or some money, or love, or whatever the case may be. This person wanted a long-term connection with you. They wanted to waste your time without you realizing that your time was being wasted, if that makes sense, okay? Because whoever this person is, they are a big distraction. They are a big distraction. Okay, notice how you wasn't, you know, getting anything done when you were connected to this person. It's because they were like a shiny object that was meant to distract you from what you're supposed to be doing, what you incarnated here to do. Okay, they didn't want you to catch on to the fact that your time was actually being wasted. All right. But in order for you to get the blessings that you rightfully deserve, you have to be alone. You got to be in hermit mode right now, because nobody from your past is worth you allowing back into your life, okay? Especially this lover, or this could be a friend, family member, or whatever the case may be. For some of y'all, this could even be multiple people, but whoever this is, they are watching you heavily, okay? Trying to figure out what it is that they can say or do to pull you back in. This is a very controlling, masterful, and manipulative person, okay? And they are obsessed with you. You could see angel number 33 a lot, or 333, 999, 123, 1123, 1111 maybe have significance. You have got to trust your intuition. Whatever choice you made, it was the right one. It was the right one, because I feel like this reading is for somebody that's feeling like kind of, you know, iffy. Like, did I do the right thing? Was I overreacting? No, you weren't overreacting. Okay? Somebody needed to be blocked or cut out of your life.